Welcome to my channel, everyone. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Today we'll be going over how to use Canva. So Canva is primarily a graphic design platform. You can make use of Canva for free, Canva for Pro, which requires payment, and Canva for your team, depending if you have a business. Canva has multiple features. AI, you can collaborate with others. It has a friendly interface. It's pretty much really important in this age and time. It has multiple templates that you can edit to fit whatever you want to design. So you can see here it says create your best work together. So you can work with your team. If you're running a business, if you're planning any activity, you can have collaborators. Generally, Canva is really full of surprises because every day, every time you get to learn something new just by using Canva. So let's create an account. So to create an account, you just have to head on to sign up for free. You can continue with Google. I already have an existing account, so I'm just going to log in to show you guys how to. So you can continue with Apple, continue with Google, log in with your mobile phone, with your work email. Okay, so I'm just going to log into an existing account first off. So this is my existing account. So now I'm going to create a new account. So yes, I'm just going to continue with my Gmail. I have another email address. So this is the process here, and it says welcome back, but this is a new account. So let's talk about your team. What's your role? So you can indicate what your role is here, what industry, what's your company size, what are your team goals, and next off, you can enjoy powerful collaboration as a team. So this requires payments, but you can try it out for free for the first um, 30 days. Then next up, you can save your brand templates. So let's tour the Canva homepage, or say dashboard. So there are several options. What are we going to design today? So recent designs, there's no design yet, but there's several options. You have your play with Canva. I think this is just for you to try out something. Documents, whiteboard, Instagram post, videos, presentations. I've created a number of things with Canva. So for my company's course, I worked with Canva for the presentation. For my business card, I created my business card with Canva, and this is just the design. For my family hangouts, I created the flyers, or I created the flyers with Canva. For my vision board, equally Canva. So I've used Canva a whole lot for a ton of things, and yeah, this is my LinkedIn page, equally Canva. So yes, so there's so much that you can do on the Canva websites. So you can create magazine covers, calendars, planners, reports, worksheets, proposals, class schedules. Like, the list is unending. And why I really love Canva is that I can just think about so many things, and next off I'm creating. So let's navigate the menu by the left hand side. Personal, we have home, Magic Studio. So projects, we don't have any project yet. Templates, these are like multiple templates that you can start designing from. So they have here grow your business on TikTok. So several things that you can design. So you have business, social media, education, video marketing, print products, cards, and invitation. Canva is so helpful, and I just feel that once you master this, it takes out major cost, and it comes with practice. When you practice, you're definitely going to figure out a whole lot about Canva. So Canva makes an interesting provision for photos, so you can access high quality images for your designs. You don't have to go on Unsplash, Pixel. You can just get your pictures from Canva. Also, Canva makes provision for icons, so you can get these icons under elements. And next off, you can follow creators. So there are several creators here. You can create your own account, and but here we have zero following because this is a new account. And also, you can create your brand template. I think I talked about that initially, but this is something that you can easily do. Okay, so Canva has AI, and this is called the Magic Studio. There's the Magic Design, Magic Write, So you can basically change your text into image. But this feature is primarily under Canva Pro. So in order for you to make use of this, you need to pay. But if you're new to Canva, if you're just learning about Canva, I think you can start with Canva free and just learn the features, learn about what you can create with what you have for free, because there's so much you can do with Canva for free. So what Canva Pro primarily does is that it makes the design process easier. It gives you more options, more design options. Um, so yeah, you don't have to like necessarily think a whole lot. You just can get like the designs that you want straight up. But Canva for free, you have to generally create. So there are also apps on Canva. So these are apps that are design related. So you can use these apps in creating your designs. You just have to like think about what you want to create. And yeah, you have the apps available. So for instance, there is like the content planner, which is available for Canva Pro. There's like mockups and several other apps that you can make use of. Okay, so now we're going back to the home page and we're just going to check out like the design spotlight. So this just further indicates what you can design. And yeah, there is like a whole space for business. So content creation, visual communication, brand management, collaborations, asset management. There's a whole lot. So you can use this for your business. Then next up, you can download the app on your phone, on your laptop. I have it on my phone, so not getting it on my laptop. So then there's the setting. With the setting, you can change your image. There's the option here for privacy setting, people, for you to manage your team. There are like several things here under setting. We have bills and plans. We have purchase history. So if you make purchases via Canva Pro, you'd have your purchase history here. Then also there's a provision for domain names. So now we're going back to the home page. So if you want to be adventurous, you can just go straight to create a design. So what are we going to design today? So I prefer rather to search for my designs. So you can use 5 words to describe your design. Why I prefer searching is because it will give me similar things that I may think about or things that I would want to create. And once I just put it there, it gives me like great options. So this is just an example. Like I checked out YouTube intro videos, and these are the options that were given. So you can search for multiple templates, you can search for logos, you can search for whatever comes to your mind. You can search for it, honestly, whatever design you're thinking about. These are business plan templates, and you can make use of the plans, edit it to suit your business. And yeah, presentation, you have a work presentation. Canva has you covered because there are like a ton of designs. So this particular design is a design that requires paid elements, and for you to make use of it, you have to pay. So Canva Pro has paid elements. So there are certain elements, once you decide that you want to design, you see that they require payment, or they would be watermarked. And you don't want a watermark design on your final design. You don't want that. And the watermark is usually Canva. What you can do is generally work with the existing designs that don't have the pro mark on the designs. So you can also get images from Unsplash, Pixel. You can get icons from Pixel, Unsplash. So yeah, I worked on with this design and I created this. And that's the intro for this particular video, and it was pretty much free. So let's go through the design dashboard. So I'm going to click on design first, and we can primarily change this design here. There are several options. So if you want to like try a YouTube minimalist video intro, there are like several options that you can get and change. So my favorite part about Canva are the elements. I don't think I did justice here to the elements because Canva has so many elements, but here you can navigate. You can find images here, you can find videos, you can find graphic images, like anything. People, you can make a comic with Canva. That's how amazing the elements are. Like the elements are a whole lot. You just have to really go into it. So let's get into adding texts. So there's like the brand fonts, and the brand fonts comes with I'll take Canva Pro, but then there's the add a text box. You can expand it if it's small. There is add a heading, add a subheading. There are font combinations, which are just like really amazing and creative. But then you can also create yours with, the fonts and there are several font options. So you can change the font. It's just like up there. Um, and you can change the color of the font. So next off, uploading media. You can just generally upload files here, videos, images, audio, whatever you want to use in creating your design. You can upload it. So there's the brand kit, but again, this is for Canva team and it requires payments. Then you can draw for those that can draw. I can't really draw. You can access your project, and like I said before, there are the app options. So yeah, this is the general menu dashboard here. That's just what I clicked on. You can get your projects there. Home, you can create another design on another page. It's open a new tab. Then let's just navigate the Canva features. So here you can share this particular design and have a collaborator on it. You just have to click and add the email address. Um, Here you can resize and just make size changes. So we have resize here. So this will change the size to what you want, custom size, Instagram post. You can translate a particular post to another language. I feel this is a very cool option. This is a cool feature. Then you can transform into doc, which is also a cool, amazing feature, and it comes with Canva Pro. So if you want to rename a file, you just have to click on file and yeah, you rename it. So this is the how to series, and that's what I was working on. So yes, next up you can indicate or write your notes there. This is the duration. You can reduce or increase the duration, but that's the duration here. um so next off, you can zoom to see it. If you want it smaller, that's the image or the video, or if you want it bigger, you can increase it. And you can also just use the, I don't know, well, I call it the navigator, but you can just use that and increase and reduce. You can have a grid view just like this to see all your design together. You can see it as a full view. So this is it full screen. You can just look at it on a full screen, and once you're done, you can just close it up. And yeah, you can also ask Canva anything. There is an AI powered assistant that can help you with ideas, advice, and questions. So you can make use of that. So you can share equally. I talked about access. You can give people access and give people access to view the design. Um, so these are like just general options. You want to share on social media that's available, your website, you want to send to your phone, you want to save to a folder, you want to present and record, it's possible. So if you want to download a design, you just have to go to download, and there are like several options. You have your PDF standard, PDF prints, you have your MP4 video, you have your GIF, and yeah, like there's several options for you to save with. So this is inside. This is if you're sharing your videos with like third parties. So it would indicate these are like the amount of people that have viewed it. And so this is undo and redo. If you made a mistake and you want to undo it, you can undo it. If you made a mistake and you want to redo it, you can do that. So let's take out this picture. I'm going to delete it and then I'm going to undo. Then I am going to redo the delete. So yeah, it's deleted again. So guys, this brings me to the end of my video. If you would like to learn some more, let me know in the comment section and I'll be making more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. And I have a one-on-one Canva tutorial. You just have to click the link in the description. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.